Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have naphthalene system and you have beta position ester there. You are reacting with aluminum chloride and acid hydrolysis. You should find what will be the final product. By looking at the ester and aluminum chloride, you might realize it is phase rearrangement. Basically, phase rearrangement involves selectivity, which is specified for ortho and para position. Then you have another selectivity because aromatic substitution in the naphthalene favors only in alpha beta position. By considering two factors, the removed CA3CO plus attacks in the alpha position as well as ortho 2OH, you have the final product. So the concept you have to learn here is selectivity. Phase rearrangement favors ortho and para. Naphthalene favors alpha and beta. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.